not going to move on to the tail lights. We're going to be replacing the brake light and the turn signal. The turn signal is going to be your 7440s in amber, and then the brake light's also going to be a 7440, but we're going to be using a red bulb, okay? Not the actual clear bulb that they use in here. So it's going to be more intense, more brighter once you put it into your actual brake light, because it's already red. So your actual brake light's already tinted red. So that's going to help shine through it with no issues, okay? So very simple to do. All you got to do is remove 2 clips from here. Once you remove those, the panel just comes down and the access to your bulbs are right here. The first one right here on the bottom, if you counterclockwise to unlock it, it'll just pop out like this. The clear one is going to be your brake light. So let's start right here. We already got the bulb out. Unclip it. And we're going to pull out the new bulbs. These are currently in development. And these are going to be the T7440s in red. Okay. So we're going to put this in here. I believe these are polarity sensitive. So we're going to light them up real quick. You can step on the brake. Make sure that they're installed correctly. Yes, they are. And just to test, let go, please. We're gonna flip it over just to make sure if they're polarity or non-polarity. Can you step on it one more time? So there you have it. These are non-polarity, so you don't have to worry about this one because it's just a simple brake. So I'm gonna put that in there now. Okay, and just like that, it's installed. And we're gonna step on the brake real quick just to show you how that looks. And as you can see, we got the new bulb in there. It's gonna be more intense compared to the halogen, which we still have on the driver's side. So let's show you that. And where it's gonna benefit, it's gonna be at night where it's gonna be super noticeable. So let's get that other bulb replaced and then we'll show you the intensity of both on, okay?